KissFlow is an AI-powered low-code platform specialized for building internal business applications. It's perfect for handling the growing IT application backlog or supporting a citizen development program. What makes KissFlow unique is that it welcomes a wide range of skill levels. Experienced developers can quickly build dozens of essential backlogged apps with a custom UI and add JavaScript components. And also, because most of KissFlow is drag and drop and requires no coding, business analysts and process owners can create complete solutions on their own with a very quick learning curve. Building applications in KissFlow is simple. There are 3 core no-code solutions that meet the majority of business use cases. First is a process designer, ideal for automating approval workflows. Second are configurable boards for project, case, and task management. Third are automations with connectors and integrations to create system-based workflows that run without human intervention. In addition, you can build a customized UI for each app with pages, reports, dashboards, navigation, portals, and more. All of this happens on one unified and governed platform that IT teams govern and keep secure. It's a completely cloud-hosted SaaS platform with no servers, installation, or database management for you to worry about. Let's look deeper into app creation in KissFlow, starting with the process designer. To start a new process, give it a name. The more descriptive you are, the better the AI tools will help you build. Building a process in KissFlow involves 3 steps: create the form, design the workflow, and assign permissions. Part of the simplicity of KissFlow is the form-first methodology. Rather than building complicated tables, builders start with making the form exactly how they want it, while tables are created in the backend. You can use an AI feature to instantly generate fields which are useful to get started with. There are over 20 types of form fields in KissFlow, including advanced fields like lookups, AI-powered smart attachments, aggregations, and signatures. Simply drag and drop form fields where you want them. You can change the appearance, add validations, or alter the visibility rules. The next step is the workflow. Just like in the form, you can start by getting AI-suggested steps. Steps can be assigned directly to users using user fields, formulas, or many other methods. For each step, you can configure SLAs and push or email notifications. Your workflows can be simple or sophisticated with parallel branches, conditional steps, or go-to workflow jumps. At each step in the workflow, you can control both the visibility of each field and also the permissions, whether it is editable or read-only. While creating your process, you can simulate it on a desktop or mobile view at every step before it goes live to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. Once the process is live, KissFlow has a built-in task management widget to track all the items that users have initiated and all the tasks assigned to them. Users can advance the data to the next step, send back to an earlier step, add a question to the collaboration widget, reassign the item, or reject it. Process reports help you drill down on specific data. Create your own custom report, or you can use our auto-generated reports that show you the work pipeline, aging data, and performance metrics. For less predictable work where the user needs to be in more control, you can use KissFlow boards. Good examples of this are ticketing systems, service requests, or project management. Boards are ideal when you want to give the user the power to direct the flow in the moment, instead of relying on predefined rules. You can see all your items in a list or Kanban board, and quickly move items to different steps or reassign them. Like processes, boards can be generated from an AI prompt, or you can start from scratch with the no-code builder. Builders can customize the form just like a process, including all the advanced fields and visibility options. The workflow on the board is a customizable sequence of steps and statuses. Admins of boards have full control and visibility over the workflow. When they open an item, users can see what has happened, add their insights, and have asynchronous discussions about the item. You can also divide items into multiple sub-items with their own due dates and assignees. KissFlow has an orchestration feature called Connected Items. Here, you can connect multiple boards and create dependent items across them. A board can have multiple custom views to filter items and make even large boards manageable. Boards also come with customizable reports and metrics that help you analyze your work. System automation and integration with internal and external systems are key for any low-code platform. These automations begin with a trigger event. It may be an action inside KissFlow or a different platform, a webhook, or a scheduled event. After the trigger is set, you can add actions. There are internal actions inside KissFlow like updating datasets, running a JavaScript, sending an email, or creating an action inside a board or process. There are also external actions. We have over 35 pre-built connectors to other common enterprise tools. You can also use AI to set up automations by simply describing the scenario you want in plain language. The AI model will configure the appropriate trigger and necessary actions based on your description. When establishing the connector, you can use an AI-assisted feature to automatically map fields. There's also an extensive API toolkit that exposes KissFlow components as microservices that other applications can consume. You can connect to external databases such as MySQL and MS SQL with the External Data Connector. This connector brings in data from your database in real time and lets you perform CRUD operations on them. Add a condition or iteration to create complex and complete system workflows. As you build out your application, you can create a customized UI. For example, for an IT asset management app, the asset manager may want to start with a custom dashboard to see all the essential information at a glance. You can use the page builder in KissFlow to create the perfect set of charts and tables that give the asset manager all of the data they need. You can also create a navigation panel to include quick links to all of the essential elements of the application. In KissFlow, you can create custom roles. In our example, the asset manager may have one view with a set of permissions, but a business user who needs maintenance done on an IT asset will have a completely different view and permissions. There are also low-code components inside the app builder, where you can use JavaScript to create custom events and variables. KissFlow has 2 places to find templates. We have over 400 predefined templates to help you get started. Additionally, we have complete pre-built applications that you can install, customize, or extend, instead of building from scratch. Good examples are procurement, employee management, and IT asset management. Apart from reports within individual processes and boards, KissFlow has a dedicated analytics module that lets you create custom reports over multiple data sources. Inside the module, data from your processes and datasets are represented as tables. With the query editor, you can use SQL to query and combine data from multiple tables, save them as data views, and create reports over them. As a complete low-code solution, KissFlow has all the DevOps, security, and governance features you need. KissFlow offers multi-stage application development so that developers can develop apps in a completely isolated environment and test in the dedicated testing environment before deploying them into production. To govern application development and permissions, KissFlow has a governance module with dedicated dashboards for users, processes, boards, and much more. There is a detailed audit log to track user activity and device sessions, download and print logs, and more from the user dashboard. You can also get an overview of your account with metrics such as the number of externally connected processes and those with weak permissions. The governance module also uses AI to detect personally identifiable information in your apps. KissFlow is a SaaS platform. We handle all the IT infrastructure, servers, databases, upgrades, and deployment procedures. KissFlow is built on Python, which makes us more agile than other platforms. With our multi-cloud and private cloud hosting options, you can choose the infrastructure that best suits your needs. We also have all major compliance certificates. That's a quick overview of KissFlow. Contact us for a specialized demo to see what it can do for you.